Hi guys, now I would like to explain how do you create mathematical expression symbolically. Now let us see what is the syntax to create an expression, and we know that the expression is in terms of variables, so that means first variables we define as a symbols. For that the syntax is SYMS. It depends on the number of variables or one variable, two variables, more than two variables. So accordingly you define variables as symbols. Let us take one example, suppose x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now let us see what is the MATLAB syntax for this. First we defined x variable as a symbol and the function x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Its output, it's just like see here, you can have a look at this output. And similarly, suppose the expression is a transcendental expression, not only the polynomial, it is x into cos x. How do you define this? See the same thing, suppose if you'd like to type in command window SYMS x the variable, suppose the function is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. This is similarly function 1 is equal to x into cos x. This is. Now how do you solve the equations? Whatever the expression, how do you find the solution of that? How do you find the solution? For that the syntax, MATLAB syntax is SOLVE is the syntax, and whatever the expression here. Suppose let us take the same example, and we know how do you create the expression, mathematical expression symbolically, and the solution of this is, see here, using this solution of certain expression we got this minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, and see here the same thing I'll type in the command window SOLVE solution of the function, and suppose I will write solution of function is equal to the output. See what we will get. So this is how do you find. And the similarly solution of function 1 is equal to solve fun1, because x cos x replaced in function 1. So that's why this is. Now let us see by entering here, say 0 and pi by 2. So these two are the solutions of the expression x is into cos x. Now suppose I would like to find factors. See here, I would like to find the factors for certain polynomial. And what is the syntax for finding a factors of certain expression? This is FACTOR is the syntax to find the factorization for certain expression. And suppose I am taking a huge expression here, it is a polynomial with a degree 6, and see this is the expression I am typing in a MATLAB, and to factorize this is the syntax for that. See here, for these are the factorization for that, and let us see how to type the same thing in command window. I would like to type the same thing in command window. First I will clear the command window. Suppose function 2 is equal to, see this is the same thing I typed here. Now this is the function 2. Now I would like to find a factorization. So suppose factor of function 2, let us see what we will get. So these are the factors of this huge polynomial. Here the polynomial is with degree 6. Now I would like to find function value at certain x value. It is nothing but finding function values. For that the syntax in MATLAB, simply substitute that x value to find that function. This is substitute fun value. So it is nothing but, see, suppose this is, suppose the same use polynomial at x is equal to 4, what we will get. Let us see in the command window, and value, suppose at x4, let us see, substitute x in the polynomial function 2, x value is suppose 4. See what we get is 5525. And similarly, suppose x value, suppose I'll substitute 10. See what we'll get. It's a huge value. And suppose I'll substitute only the 1. In place of x, I'll substitute only 1. So this is, friends, how do you create an expression, how do you solve, how do you factorize, and how do you find the function values at certain x values. The same thing, if you want, you can extend for two variables. It is just like, first you define the variables x and y, and the function 3 is equal to x square plus xy plus y square. This is the expression. And if you want to solve this f function 3, you can solve this. So this is, and this solution only for x value, x is in terms of y. And suppose if you'd like to factorize this, because it defines only for x values. Thank you.